Hello traders, today is 19th of March 2010 and I would like to do a video about the cycle and the trend. The cycle and the trend. Very often we will have a trend that has started, and within that trend we will have different cycles. As a trader, one should know the cycle in which we are, because what usually causes the loss is that people are right about the trend, but they are wrong about the cycle, and they enter the market and in the wrong cycle. As you can see here, this is the uptrend trend line I draw here. This white line, if you follow my cursor, this uptrend trend line here. And this trend line is telling us the direction of the trend. But within that trend, the price went from here, this level here, all the way up here. You see? So it's uptrend. The price did not fall in this section here. It's uptrend movement as the trend line is showing here. But during this upward movement, there was different cycle. The price went up, price came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and retests at different point the trend line. The chart we are looking at now is the euro-yen currency pair, the 4 hours chart. And as you can see here, there were different cycles. The first cycle of uptrend is always upward movement. The price went from here, if you follow my cursor, up to this level here. This is one cycle. And then the price came back down here. Even though we are in an uptrend, the price can fall. So somebody who knew that the price is in an uptrend and bought here may lose money because he bought in the wrong moment. He didn't time his trade properly, even though he were right about the trend, that the trend was up. Yes, the trend was up, but you have to know when to get into the trend. That's why the cycle is coming in. The best indicator regarding the trend is the MACD indicator. The MACD, as always I said, is a very excellent indicator, because if the trend is your friend, then MACD must be your friend, because it's a trend following indicator and it repeats the price pattern, even though sometimes it's late to do so. So right now we have one cycle up, another cycle down. Now we have another cycle up, which is here. This cycle was the longest one all the way here. And then there was another cycle down, and then there was another cycle up. So those who are aware of Elliott wave knowledge should know that this is the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and this is the fifth wave. Finished. The professional knew that. They will count the top of the thing when they are counting the wave. They will count 3 tops, sell. 1, 2, 3, sell. Same thing they will do for the bottoms. If it's in a downward movement, they will say 1 low, second lower low, third lower low, buy. Yeah. When they are uptrend, they will say first high, second higher high, third whatever high, and then they will sell them, and they will count away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elliott wave. But I'm not talking about Elliott wave here, because it's a bit difficult subject. You can read about it on the internet. I'm talking here about the cycle. So the stochastic people should be aware that the stochastic indicator is a cycle following indicator. So the first thing, if you are using the stochastic indicator, is to locate the trend. And then you look at the trend, and then you try to get into the direction of the trend when the stochastic is in harmony with the trend. So the stochastic will go up with this uptrend, it will come down here, and then the trend will resume again, and the stochastic will turn around oversold and turn around, and another cycle will begin again here. And then the stochastic will be overbought again and turn down and come to the trend line again, and another cycle to the upward will begin again. And then usually the trend will end with a divergence or double top MACD cross. These are usually the end of the trend. Double top MACD cross usually, at least for a while the trend will end. It doesn't mean that the trend is completely finished. It may resume again, but that's for now. This from here to here, one trend is finished. You know, this cycle is finished now. So I'm talking here about the cycle and the trend. And the MACD, look at MACD as the trend, you know. The trend. MACD is just a trend, showing the trend. If MACD goes above its signal line, check whether a downward trend line is broken. If MACD goes above its signal line, you just check if a downward trend line is broken. If MACD goes below its signal line, check if an upward trend line is broken. If it's true, you know that this signal of MACD is valid. And the stochastic also, if the stochastic is overbought during uptrend, usually the professional, they don't trade it. They just ignore it, because sometimes the price may just break that resistance level because uptrend and continue with failing to do one of the cycle. It doesn't mean that all the time the price must go up and then stochastic, yeah, you sell and then you come down. Sometimes the price may just violate one cycle. This cycle may not repeat itself. It will just go from here directly here, or maybe just a small pullback and then the price just resume. Because if you have more pressure, buying pressure during uptrend, we have more buying pressure. So the price is likely to go up at any time, because if people are too eager to buy, it may not come to the level you are expecting it to come, and you may even miss some opportunity, because if you want to trade it correctly, you want to buy at the trend line here, the price respect the trend line. So what you usually do after, because this is cycle here, if I show you here, this was a consolidation period. The price was going up, down, up, down, up. There was no trend here. That's why MACD will confuse a lot of people, because there was no trend. MACD will be going up and down, up and down, up and down. So the only thing you can do here is to locate one resistance and one support level, and then you'll be bumping up and down, up and down. And then this consolidation zone has been broken. You see, it's broken. And suddenly the price just went boom out. It's like I'm out of this trap now. You know, the price was trapped here, and the price says, I'm out of this trap now. I'm out, you know. So the professional will wait for the retest of that resistance level here, which is exactly here, which will form. The price went up, first movement to the up, we call it 1, you see, and then retest, that's 2. That's 2 cycle gone now, you see. And third, that's the longest one according to Elliott wave. The third one, then the stochastic from here just went boom. You break this resistance here. If you fail to break the first resistance here, if you fail to break this first resistance here, you know that the downward has failed, or has failed for now, at least, you know. So it must, after it break out of the consolidation zone here, shoot up, you know, and then you retest. The third wave that is starting here, the third cycle that starts here, must break this resistance level right here. If it fail, you see here people try to sell here, but they fail. It came down a bit, the price just went and break that resistance. Once it break that resistance level, it's confirmed that we are now in an uptrend. And the professional, as usual, we count the wave, and as you can see, they count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, they count the top 1, 2, 3 top, and they sell 1, 2, 3 bottom, and they buy. You see, but you have to be aware of those things and know exactly what the professionals are doing and how you can recognize the cycle within the trend. Because a price is going up, it will not go up continuously, it will pull back, which means the market is pausing, relaxing a bit, and then continue again, relaxing a bit, in, out, and then the trend continue. Sometimes if the trend is strong, you don't even see the breathing come back, you just shoot up, very parabolic movement to the upside, you know. And a lot of people will miss a lot of opportunity to join that trend. As you can see here, this trend line here is broken now, and it has been retested by this here, this white one, and the price is falling down. So we can consider this as a lower top here, and then follow it from there, draw another trend line after this top. If this is confirmed that this support is broken, we know that it's in top now. Then we will draw another trend line here. This is happening now that I'm watching this. Let me draw a trend line now like this, and see what's going on. So till next time, enjoy yourself and be happy. Thank you.